Mechanical keyboards are everywhere right now, but most of them are made for gamers, not for people who actually work. So the real question is, can a mechanical keyboard improve productivity? Today we're taking a look at the Keychron Q1, one of the most popular premium mechanical keyboards, to see if it's actually worth buying. Keychron positions the Q1 as a high-end keyboard for professionals, creators, and developers. It's not cheap, it's not flashy, and it's definitely not trying to be a gaming keyboard. So let's break down what you really get for the price. The first thing you notice is the build. The Keychron Q1 is made from solid aluminum, and it feels extremely sturdy on the desk. There's no flex, no hollow sound, and no cheap plastic anywhere. This is a heavy keyboard, and that weight actually helps with stability during long typing sessions. It genuinely feels like a premium product. Typing is where the Q1 really shines. The gasket-mounted design reduces vibration, making each keystroke softer and more controlled. Depending on the switches you choose, you can get a very smooth, quiet typing experience that's perfect for work environments. This is the kind of keyboard that makes you want to type more just because it feels good. The Q1 uses a compact layout that still keeps all the essential keys. It's fully programmable, supports VIA and QMK, and works with both Mac and Windows. You can remap keys, create shortcuts, and customize it exactly to your workflow. This level of flexibility is a big advantage. That said, it's not perfect. The keyboard is heavy and not portable at all. It's also more expensive than mainstream options. And if you're new to mechanical keyboards, the customization options can feel overwhelming at first. This is clearly aimed at enthusiasts and professionals. If you type for hours every day, write code, edit, or work from home, the Keychron Q1 makes a lot of sense. But if you just need a simple keyboard for occasional use, this might be more than you actually need. Overall, the Keychron Q1 is one of the best mechanical keyboards you can buy for productivity. It's expensive, but the build quality, typing feel, and customization fully justify the price. If you want to check current prices and detailed reviews, I've linked all of them in the description below. Buy smart and save your money.